Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. This is a two-time Top-Flight winner. It's a green ribbon winner, 98 points, and that was driven to the show where they inspected it and gave it that rating. It's painted in the Marina blue with a black stinger. Extremely nice. It's powered by a 390 horsepower big block 427, and it has side pipes that sound unbelievable. It has a set of rally wheels with red striped tires, and the bodywork is exceptional. All the fiberglass is nice. The top looks just as good as the underside, so when we go underneath this, you'll be able to see how nice it is. I want you to come over here and take a look at the body lines as we walk this way, and then I'll open up this driver's side door. This specific car has prestigious ownership history, and it also has a full title search since 1968. Has the original sale document from 1968 when it was sold at a Buick dealership. It also has the NCRS shipping data report, 2 of them. And then when we open up that hood, I'll tell you the other special thing about this car. Look at the interior, extremely nice. You got yourself power steering on this car, and then you have the alarm for the speedometer. So when it gets to a certain speed, it'll chime. You got your 4-speed shifter right there, your clock that's operating as it should, you have your armrest. And the best part about this car is when you look at the gallery, we have a hard top that's included and it's painted to match in extremely nice shape, so it bolts on right here. When I go ahead and I open up the rear of this, I want you to look at the carpet. Extremely nice. You've got a black top underneath here and it looks great, and it still has the tag on the rear. And go ahead and close that. Look at how nice the seats look. All the bolsters are great. Your shift selector looks great as well, and your radio tag is there. When I open up this door, I want you to show the actual trim tag, and then we'll go ahead and open up the hood. Come on this side. The rear, extremely nice, extremely straight. It's not sweeping from side to side. Gas cap is in the center. That's something you always want to look for. Paint shows well. There's not a single mark on it. Actually, there's a mark right here from the top, but that's all that I can see on both sides. That's just when it slides in. I'm going to open up the doors. There's no cracking throughout, and it is a correct matte. Look underneath here and you'll see the trim tag that has the VIN number along with the designation for the factory that it was produced in. Extremely nice. While you do that, I'm going to pop the hood. Let's take a look at this motor. 390 horsepower, made it to side pipes that sounds unbelievable. It has the correct carburetor, correct distributor cover, along with all of the paintwork to be proper. So when you look at this hood, look at the adhesive. You see how there's that yellow in there? That's how they did it in the factory, and that's how it should be. Also, when everybody opens up the hood of this car, they're gonna go, hey, let me look at the numbers on this block and see if it's correct. Well, we've got it affirmed by Al Grennings that this is the correct stamping for this motor, and it matches the tag. That's an extremely nice piece of history, and that makes this car worth its value in gold. Let's go ahead and put it in the air and we'll go for a ride. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go underneath this 67 Corvette. This is an Al Grenning approved block. So he went ahead and inspected this motor, took a look at the castings, and it passes an inspection. Obviously, we've talked about numbers matching. This is a Top-Flight NCRS winner, so that's the furthest driven Top-Flight car. This is obviously a 98-point car. You're gonna look at all the markings, so I want you to look at all the suspension. Everything is marked as it should be in the proper positions. You've got the correct springs, correct shocks. You have side pipes out the rear, and then you have your original body underneath here. Everything is in excellent condition. You have casting codes 3885010 on the transmission. All of your motor mounts are in excellent condition. And I see that they've added a heat shield here for the starter. That's fine, that's removable if you're gonna get it judged. All of your steering components are extremely dry. All of the bushings, excellent condition. This is a fully restored car. We're gonna walk to the rear of it, and I want you to take note of all the markings as you do that. So all of the drive shafts have been marked properly. Everything is shimmed correctly. This is the right leaf spring for the rear. You have the correct sway bars with the correct markings on the brakes. So you've got your white, blue, and white on the rear caliper. Everything is shimmed as it should be. Yellow stamp for the brake, for the emergency brake. And then you also, on the drive shaft back here, you have the correct markings. So if you guys are trying to get judged, take note. Orange and green. And it's like a light green, it's not a solid green. Rear, all the fiberglass is in excellent shape. And then you have your exhaust that runs out the side. So let's look at the corners here. You can see that, and you've got your markings underneath here as well, and the correct undercoating in the wheel wells. I'm gonna go ahead and walk on the other side and we'll look at the shims there. So you've got 5 markings, and you have 5 shims inside there. For this, I don't know if you can see that. If you go inside there, that's what the 5 markings is for. All new hoses. And let's go to the front nose. We didn't show that yet. Front nose looks great. The chrome is in very nice condition, and there are no cracks on the front fascia at all. Let's go ahead and drop this on the ground and go for a nice ride. So we're gonna go for a test drive in this 390 horse car. This is an Al Grenning certified stamping on this motor, so that's a big deal. This car sounds unreal when you're going through the gears. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drive it regularly down Ravenswood, and then we're gonna turn around and we'll get more spirited so you can actually hear how this thing sounds. Let's go. Clutch feels really good, really easy to use. Redline wheels in this car, or the tires handle great, so you can actually turn left and right and you can feel it. Sounds like a jet. What we'll do is we'll downshift, we'll go down this road. I'm gonna turn my hat around because of the wind. Oh man. We're only going to like 4,500 RPMs and it just sounds unreal. Second gear. It just eats the fuel. Such a cool car. We're going over some bumps right now, no issues at all. This is truly an award-winning car. Obviously it's an NCRS Top-Flighted car and it's ready for a new owner. We're gonna go ahead and turn around here and then we'll get real spirited through first and third. Hey, the clock works, by the way. Every single gauge in this car works. Brakes feel great. So here's what first gear feels like. So cool. Woo! If you guys have any questions about this car, give us a call. 954-363-2261. I'm pretty sure you just want to hear the motor, so I'm going to stop talking. Like it's screaming at you. Listen to me.